Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I bought this from Costco. It's a durian. Durian is a big fruit, tropical fruit, and I've never tasted it before, so I thought I'll get the dry one. Apparently it smells very bad. So this is ready to eat, freeze-dried durian, a famous delicacy from Southeast Asia, crispy, crunchy, and bursting with flavor. The durian fruit, with its regal thorn crown, packs a powerful punch. It wins hands down, and when freeze-dried with our latest technology, lives up to the name in the king of fruit mythology. Apparently it smells bad, so the smell will hit us first and then we'll taste it. Okay, let's try. Oh my god, okay. Let's smell it. Whoa.
Wait, let me smell it. Oh!
Let's try it.
Oh my god, wow, it's so strong!
Oh, okay. It's actually nice to taste, but you can still smell it in your mouth.
Ow!
Okay, apparently cats don't like it for the smell either.
Put it down.
Okay, our cat is a bit different. It's almost wanted to eat it.
Like
Yeah,
a
okay.
rock.
Okay, you can have it. Hold it.
I'm gonna pass.
Come on, Sarah, come and try it.
No.
Like it? Oh, it's got a very strong smell. I don't know what it smells like exactly, but it's like
I
probably
wasn't
like
expecting that smell.
a smell of rubbish or something. Like a bag of rubbish. That's crunchy and nice. Okay, she's back.
Just seems really freaking out.
Maybe because.
Oh my god!
Okay, I think now she smelled it.
Put it down on the table. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so bad.
I don't know. I kinda like it.
Put it down then.
I kinda get used to it.
I can't breathe out my nose anymore.
You see, you didn't taste one.
I don't want to taste it.
It's gonna be tasting the smell that you smelled, which is bad.
Let's take it around and let others taste it. Come on, Yassine.
Oh,
You can do it, Yassine.
It smells so bad.
Oh my god, I can't breathe out my nose.
You're just being dramatic.
No, it actually smells so bad.
Okay, let's.
No, I'm not gonna eat it.
Ah!
Okay, let's see if Adam will like it. Adam. Yeah. Try some durian.
I don't know. Get away.
Come on.
Stop recording me.
Come on, it's nice.
Hey.
Okay, just smell it then.
Don't feel like that.
It's very nice and crunchy. Come on, try it.
No.
Let's see if Hikmet. Try some durian. Smell it.
What's that? Oh my god. Oh
Come on, try one.
You should have let him eat it before he smelled. Actually, I don't think that's possible.
That's alright.
What the hell?
It's nice.
Lily, come.
Okay, Tasneem, stop spitting. Wait, put it here. I don't think she wants to anymore. I know, let's try. Let's see if Gizmo will like it. Cause
Gizmo doesn't even, he can't even smell anything.
Yes, he can.
No, he doesn't
Gizmo.
smell and he doesn't taste.
Gizmo,
he's
come.
gonna like it.
What are you eating? Come.
Oh, he's eating one of those. Oh no!
Ah, no. Leave him alone. Da. Come. Gizmo.
Hey, don't be naughty boy.
Gizmo is a tropical bird, so I'm sure he will like it. Oh no, where are you going, Gizmo?
I'm not gonna take it off you. He's running away because we think.
Oh my god. Lily, leave him alone. Okay, he's trying to find a quiet corner so he can actually eat. Stupid cat. See, he doesn't mind.
Yeah, because he can't smell or taste anything.
Yes, he can. He loves it. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. And please subscribe to my channel.